Welcome to the digital age where commerce is no longer confined to physical stores. In today's interconnected world, digital commerce has emerged as a powerhouse, reshaping how we buy and sell goods and services. Let's dive into the realm of digital commerce and unlock its secrets. First, let's talk about digital commerce. Digital commerce involves buying and selling goods or services online. It includes activities such as online shopping, electronic payments, online banking, digital ticketing, and online booking services. Digital commerce eliminates the needs for physical stores, allowing businesses to reach wider audience and operate 24/7. It has transformed the way people shop, making transaction more convenient, accessible, and efficient. Digital commerce encompasses a wide range of online businesses activities. Here are examples of digital commerce. Online retail. This involves selling physical products online, like clothes, electronics, or home goods. It's easy to set up an online store with digital commerce platform like Shopee, Lazada, and TikTok Shop. Digital products are goods and services that are delivered electronically, typically over the internet. Unlike physical products, digital products exist in a non-physical form and can be accessed, downloaded, or consumed online. Example of digital products include software, application, ebooks, music, video, online courses, digital artwork, and subscription-based services like streaming platform or cloud storage. Online marketplace. Marketplace connect buyers and sellers for an endless amount of products. Best example of online marketplace is Lazada, Shopee, Carousel, Zalora, and Facebook Marketplace. Knowledge is a power in the world of digital commerce. Staying informed is key to staying ahead. Embrace the possibilities, unlock new opportunities, and embark on a journey of continuous learning and digital commerce. Again, this is Christian. Thanks for watching.